Okay, so this is the hip flexor stretch that we're going to use to help increase the hip mobility that we need for the top portion of the pedal stroke. So I have a really heavy 50-pound band here, and then wrap it around my foot a few times because the bands are maybe a little bit too long for the most part. So I'll wrap it around twice, and that's going to give me a pretty snug and pretty tight band. And then it's going to come around the opposite hip. So around my right foot, coming up to my left hip, I'm going to lay back, bring it all the way really deep into the hip crease. Like, you want to make sure that this is all the way as close to the joint as you can, because as you can see, the band is pulling down, and then from there I'm bringing my knee up towards my chest. The biggest thing here, don't allow that foot to come inwards across your body, which is an external rotation of the hip. The reason for that is because that would basically mean when you cycle, your knees would come outwards, and we're trying to keep your legs pistons coming up and down. So we're just trying to stretch up a few seconds, let it off just a little bit, back and forth, and I'll end up doing 30 or 40, 50, even 60 of these, really trying to stretch out the hip so that way it feels like the top portion of the pedal stroke is very easy to get up and over. And then voila, from there, should feel like you're riding a little bit better. Give it a shot.